Welcome to my channel. So we're gonna slick these edges down first with some got to be glue. That's the step number one. Of course, after we braid, gotta put the sealy braids in, and then using a cap that's like your skin tone as close as possible is gonna be really important. As far as the frontal looking as natural as possible. Everything we can do to make the frontal look as natural as possible. That's the goal. Okay. So this hair is from the Crown Juice collection from Hair Queen Beauty. It's a local beauty supply store here in Huntsville, Alabama. And they have other locations as well, but I live in Huntsville, Alabama, so yeah, love them. Great hair. Oh, you can also shop online to get the Crown Juice collection from Hair Queen Beauty. So he's just plucking my frontal so it can look way more natural. And so we're just gonna, now that we've kind of laid the edges down, we're gonna cut around the ear area and cut off the excess from the cap, because the rest is securely gelled down to my edges. And we don't want to leave any of your natural edges out, simply because the glue that we're going to use can pull on them and begin to pull them out, and then you can kind of start to bald around your edges, and that's not what you want, sis. Okay, that is not what you want. You want your frontal, to give you life, not to give your edges death. Okay, so that's what we're doing now, just totally getting rid of the excess cap so I can look all flawless. See, he's using the got to be glue. The got to be glue is not glue. It's like a really strong gel, and so a lot of people use that to lay down the frontal. But to actually lay down the frontal, we're not going to use that. We're going to use a different type of glue, but this was just to lay down the edges after you braided my hair, and as you can see, to secure the cap even more so. So this stuff is great. Yeah, and all beauty supplies have it. And I'll list the products below, the products that we use. So just make sure your blow dry is on cool setting, not hot. All right, so we just applied a little foundation, a little powder foundation, just once again, that's my skin tone, to try to add a little more of a blending effect. It's all about the blend. It's all about the blend, okay? That's what I'm here for. Here for the blend. This is Ghost Bond glue, and so this is what we're going to use to actually lay down the frontal. Ghost Bond glue. And like I said before, I will make sure I include all of the products, which is not a lot of products. We only use a couple of things, but I'll make sure that I drop those below and all of that. So yeah, you want to add a couple of layers of this. Let the first layer dry, and then add a second layer, 3 if you want to. It's up to you, but as you can see, it dries clear on your skin. It's not going to stay white. And so now we're just going to apply the frontal, and it's on there all secure. This wig was actually long, but I was so scared of the blonde and the long. I was like, we gotta cut this. So now that I look at it, it's actually kind of cute. I might try it. But he was like, oh, let's do a blunt cut bob. And I was like, yep, sign me up. So that's what we actually end up going with. But right now we just wanted to flat iron the hair in this state, in the long state, flat iron, so it can be bone straight. We're going to do a middle part and a bone straight blunt cut bob. Okay, so he put me to work making me hold the flat irons. It's all good though. And I'm also going to make sure that I tag this young man so you can follow him on Instagram. So yeah, here we go. He cut the heck out this bob, didn't he? Okay. Oh, hey girl, can I get your number? Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment. Let's talk.